Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is to draw the flow graph of DIT. In this class, I will be explaining about 2-point DIT, 4-point DIT and 8-point DIT flow graphs. DIT stands for decimation in time. This is an FFT algorithm for the computation of DFT. It also is used for the computation of IDFT. So, if you know how to draw the flow graph and know how to compute the twiddle factor and to write the bit reversal table, you can easily solve the DFT problems. So, let us start the class with the basic butterfly diagram of DIT. Here if you see, the input is small a, small b are the input, capital A, capital B are the output. Here the upper line is carrying 1 and the lower line is carrying -1. In DIT the twiddle factor is written at the beginning of the second line. It is a basic diagram. The twiddle factor value is Wn to the power of k. Now how to write the output equation of first line, that is of capital A. So if you see here, A is multiplied by 1 and we are getting A here, and here the B is multiplied by Wn to the power k and is reaching to this point. So A and B Wn to the power k both are added up here. So you can write it here as A plus B Wn to the power k. Coming to the second output, A is coming this way, B is multiplied now with Wn to the power k and also with -1. So here at this point A and this term, so it is written as A minus of B Wn to the power k. I hope you now understood how to write the output equation of the basic butterfly diagram of DIT. Coming to 2-point DIT, you have to draw two lines. The input is written, notation is given as a small x, and output variables are given the notation capital X. So 2-point means two inputs are taken, x of 0, x of 1. The output variables are capital X of 0, capital X of 1. Upper line is having 1, carrying 1, the lower line is carrying -1. For 2-point DIT, the twiddle factor value is W2 to the power of 0. So this is a 2-point DIT, it is having two inputs, two outputs, and twiddle factor is W2 to the power of 0. Now coming to the 4-point DIT flow graph. What is the other name of flow graph? Butterfly diagram. What this butterfly diagram or flow graphs are used for? For the computation of DFT and IDFT. So for 4-point we need to draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. First draw 4 lines. In DIT, the input is in the bit reversal and output is in the natural order. 4-point DIT means we are having 4 inputs and 4 outputs. In the previous class we have seen the bit reversal table for 4-point. So we got the values as x of 0, 0, 2, 1, 3. So it is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1, x of 3. First two are even and second two are odd. And output is in a natural order. So 4-point means x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. The students have to take care here. Input variables are denoted by small x and output variables are denoted by capital X. In 4-point DIT, we are having two stages. The first stage twiddle factors are W2 to the power of 0 written 2 times And for the second stage, the twiddle factor is W4 to the power 0, W4 to the power of 1. In the first stage, we are having two sets of butterflies. In DIT, the twiddle factor is written at the beginning of the second line. Here the value is W2 to the power of 0, beginning of the second line. So here, how to draw this graph now? Hold this point here, leave two lines and join to third one. Where you have joined, correspondingly draw another line and draw a X symbol and darken this part, the middle part, so to denote it's one butterfly. For this butterfly, the upper line is 1 and the lower line is -1, and its twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 0. So after you are drawing the first butterfly of the first line, draw the second butterfly. Go to the second line, leave two lines, 1, 2, and join it to the third one. Where you have joined, correspondingly from that point draw the another line. The twiddle factor value here is W4 to the power of 1. Okay, so now it's clear to you how a 4-point DIT flow graph look like. So input is in bit reversal, x of 0, 2, 1, 3. Output is in natural order. Twiddle factor of first stage is W2 to the power 0. Second stage twiddle factors are W4 of power 0, W4 to the power of 1. Coming to 8-point DIT flow graph. For drawing 8-point DIT flow graph, you need to first draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After drawing these 8 lines, take the input bits. In DIT, the input is in bit reversal. We have already seen the bit reversal table in the previous class. So I have written the values. The first 4 are even, 0, 4, 2, 6. 0, 4, 2, 6. And next is x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. It's having 3 stages. Input is in the bit reversal order and output is in the natural order. 8-bit means x of 0 till x of 7, x of 1, x of 2, x of 2, 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. It is having 3 stages. The first stage is having 4 sets of butterflies. Second stage is having 2 sets of butterflies. Third stage is having 1 set of butterfly. The first stage twiddle factor is W2 to the power 0, written 4 times. And the twiddle factor is written at the beginning of the second line of each butterfly. The first stage is clear, 4 sets of butterflies. Coming to second stage, you are drawing the first, hold the first point, leave 2 lines, 1, 2 and join the third one like this. Where you have joined, correspondingly make one X sign there and darken this one. So the upper line will have 1, the lower line will have -1. And for this X, the twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 0. And for the another X, the twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 1. Similarly, hold the first line, leave 2 points and join the third one. and write the twiddle factor here, W4 to the power of 0. Second line, leave 2 lines and join the third one. The twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 1. Now coming to the third stage, hold the first line, leave 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, leave 4 lines and connect it to the fifth point like this. Where you have connected, from there take the other line and make X, darken it. For this X, put a twiddle factor, W8 to the power of 0. Now go to the second line, leave 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, join it here. Write the twiddle factor, W8 to the power of 1. Now coming to this third line, leave 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, join it here. From this point, draw the third one. The twiddle factor is W8 to the power of 2. Now coming to the fourth one, like this, W8 to the power of 3. So I hope you have understood the 2-point, 4-point and 8-point DIT flow graphs. So what is the note here? What's the important key point you have to remember here? In DIT, the input is in bit reversal order and output is in the natural order. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.